Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to clone a Jira project including issues. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, let's start by navigating to the left panel on your Jira dashboard. Here, you'll notice a section labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on this, which will open a drop-down menu. Once there, please select Explore More Apps. It's here in the Atlassian Marketplace that you'll find a wide array of tools and plugins to enhance your Jira experience. Once you're in the Marketplace, head over to the search bar and type in Deep Clone for Jira. This tool is tailored specifically to assist you in easily cloning projects, complete with all their issues and settings. When Deep Clone for Jira appears in the search results, just click on it. You'll spot an option that says Try it for free. Go ahead and click this. It will start a trial period, allowing you to test the app's functionality without any cost. Once you've initiated the trial, the app will be installed and ready for your use. Now let's head back to your Apps panel and open the Deep Clone tool. Inside, you'll find the Bulk Clone option. Click on it. You'll need to select the project you want to clone, commonly referred to as the source project. Take a moment to choose the project you wish to duplicate from the list. Next, you'll need to specify where you would like the cloned project to go. You can do this by selecting Clone Project. This action sets all clones up as a new project. Now, it's time to give your new project a distinct identity. Enter a project key and name for this clone. This aspect is crucial as it sets your new project apart from others, ensuring there's no confusion in the future. After you've filled in these important details, simply click on Clone Project. This will kick off the cloning process, and the tool will begin duplicating your selected project along with its issues. And there you have it. So that is how you can clone a Jira project, including issues. So that's all for this video. Thanks.